Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Scott's Africa Outdoors. In today's episode we're going to be live bait fishing for PBs. That's right, we're not accepting anything other than a good old PB. Hopefully we'll be able to catch bait, otherwise it'll just be a fail.
Back out here fishing. This time we're not going down below the dam wall, but we've got massive storm clouds on the horizon. Doesn't look so good. Scott's saying, can you sponsor him because his bag is broken and he can't carry it nicely. But don't worry, he'll be fine. He'll be fine. Oh, that tree has too many bites.
Oh, it's big. Oh.
Don't lose it. Don't lose it. That's my bait. It's my bait right there.
Excuse me. Shut up.
Yeah, because it's too big for Livy.
Yeah. There's still fish there. I did not think about that.
Okay, please, let's get this thing in, guys.
That's just gonna come off.
Don't let it come. Don't let it.
I'm gonna lose it so that you don't.
Please don't. Can I just pull it out quickly?
No, don't touch the
Please,
line.
just get it out quick.
If you touch the line, it'll come off.
Ah, keep it on.
It's about to come out like new cat.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get it in. No, Josh, don't touch the line, yeah?
Quickly, quickly.
Oh, the hook is about to go out. If it goes out now, it's your fault.
It's not.
Go out. Oh,
That was totally your fault.
that was your fault, Joshua.
I'm sorry.
You had it there and you dropped it.
I'm sorry.
Stick him! Stick him!
Perfect live bait size.
Oh, that's not good.
Get him out, get him out, get him out, get him out. Quickly, onto your rod.
It's too big. No,
It's not. Just try.
how long should I let it
Let it eat, let it eat. Are you serious that you just got eaten?
Yes, definitely just got eaten.
Okay.
I have a circle.
Circle, go now. It's still on.
Yeah, it's big. Tangled with me, oh my goodness.
Are you actually serious? You have a monster.
I think you tangled with me only. No. Can you come under your rod? No, I'm under.
Is it a fish? Is it like mass?
What are you doing? There we go.
Hurry up, I have to go cover the car.
Wait, dude, guys,
Is it still on? It can't be massive.
Oh!
Oh, geez.
I think it's
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Damn.
No, Dave, leave it, David.
What is this? Scott, it's your job to land. Uh-oh, you've got to stop it from going around that rock. It must be a rumba. Oh no, it's a monster tiger! Go quickly! Oh my gosh!
Hold my rod.
Get it! Oh, things just went serious.
Are you kidding me?
I promised it's a monster tiger, I promise.
Scott, it's big.
It's real big. Like a PB. Like what Scott said earlier today.
Scott, I thought this was a rumba. I saw it, its head is the biggest. Okay, just calm down. Yeah, okay. Just tie it, Loosen your drag.
No, don't. This is perfect. Leave it. It's a circle hook, guys. It's okay. It's okay. It's up to Scott.
Scott, I can't trust you. Put my live bait in the water so
Scott, this is not the time.
okay.
David, go stand down there.
Hey, I'm gonna land it there, David. Come down here. This isn't a good place to land. Hey, we have to bring it right in here. It's perfect. We can keep it.
Ooh, please don't lose this fish. It's big. Is it like a 4 kg?
That is a fat but short fish. Oh my god. Yeah, it's 4 kg.
No, it's not. It's the same as mine. Maybe a bit bigger.
Is it not?
Mm-mm.
Alright, what are you going to do with it, Scott?
Grab it by the tail.
Tail. Yeah, I'll get the tail. Just bring it right in here so it's heads down.
Yee! Okay, it looks hooked properly. We just have to worry about the line snapping now.
You come this side. I'm not going to grab the trace until it's here, right? Yeah. My drag is looser.
Okay. Get him, Scott. You got it.
It's not hooked. It's not hooked. It's on its tooth. It's on its teeth. It is literally on its teeth.
Are you serious? Okay, I have to go back to the car.
Josh! It's just...
Okay, yeah. You go.
That I think might be one of my bigger tigers. Check that. It's not even hooked properly. This thing, lucky it only jumped one time. Oh, and just started pouring. Yeah. Big tiger. Big live bait. Big tiger. Just barely hooked. Awesome. This is really short but really fat fish. Really fat. Get some photos. You have to get like away. You have to get away. So Dave has just hooked this monster on the live bait. He was using a massive live bait too. And it just swallowed that. Look, it barely hooked there in the top of the mouth. Okay, let's get some photos. Wow, that is amazing. And it's pouring with rain. That's 6 photos. This comes. This is a big girl. Oh boy. Nice.
But the live bait really works to catch big fish.
Even wait very long.
Ah, yeah, it's raining proper now. I'm soaked. Let go.
Yeah, let's go. It's 3.1. Yeah, it's 3.1.
Okay.
Yeah, it's spicy. It's a nice fish though.
Rain is just everywhere. Okay, when you're ready, you can go.
Oh, what a beauty!
What a beauty!
Wow.
Let's get some
Now I
more.
need to catch-
The rocks are steaming from how hot they were.
Take us a cool photo too.
I know. That is awesome. These rocks were so hot, so now they're steaming. This is what living in the tropics is like. One moment it's blazing hot, the next it's raining.
Take me and Scott a photo from there.
Is it hot?
It's like a sauna.
I don't want to leave those rods too far. I'm going back, okay? But that is so cool. These rocks are just steaming. How many pounds is 3.1 kgs?
It's like 6 pounds.
No, it's like 7.
Freaking out of it.
Ooh.
I have to fight that. I was like, ah! Freaking out. So, but we wanted live bait.
Well, at least this is a bream spot. If you fish on the bottom here, you'll probably catch bream. Full package.
Get a lacquer bream. Big tiger. I haven't landed it yet. Oh, you still got the fight part of it at least. Oh!
What was that?
That was a bait. My float was like this subsurface. So I'm not sure whether I want this or a baby tiger.
This is better. This is a proper Mozambique.
Wow, that is beautiful. Let me go for the self-landing.
Yeah, pass me the rod.
No, it has to be a self-landing.
That's a beast. What a... Have you ever seen a thing that fat?
And the tiger picture together. You did the right thing, Mr. Fish. Don't go over the damn wall. You'll regret
That
it.
thing is so fat. Show the stomach.
It's so warm as well.
Show that stomach. Hold it up.
Let me just feel the warmth. Oh, it's nice.
It's
They're just
such
speeding
a
up
fat.
so much. Are they
Hold it
spawning
up.
again?
Probably.
Yeah.
It's a beast.
That's
What a
what they were
beast.
doing.
That is a proper mosey. I'm gonna let me get a video.
Oh, got him. Oh, take the video.
Use the GoPro.
Bream.
Release that.
I've locked my drag and it's doing that. Are you serious?
You only probably have like 12 pounds of drag, less 8 pounds of drag.
It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. It's more like it's why.
Is it a monster? A true giant.
Do you want me to land it?
Yeah, land it for him.
Oh, it's big! It's big! Oh, that is the rod. Look at that. Is
Thumbnail photo. Get a thumbnail. David, what?
Oh,
Okay, get it.
it's actually huge. Like no cap.
Is it a record size?
Oh,
It's barely hooked.
the hook. I'm gonna get it.
Ooh. Ooh. It's huge. It's huge.
I need to. Yeah, go and go all the way.
Oh yeah.
That's a monster. Whoa! That's Look at his head. Oh my god.
I'll get screenshots of this. That is a huge bream, dude. You should probably.
My hat.
What's wrong with it?
It's backwards.
It's fine.
It's cool. Oh my god.
It's cool.
It's not like you do
Okay,
it for
that is a monster bream of that Scott just caught. Like, it's just huge. I'm gonna get
Look at the mouth on it.
close.
Yeah, the head is insane.
It is huge.
It doesn't
Look
even
at the
look like
belly.
it's fully up to its proper weight.
Look at that thing.
His hair is almost.
Okay, let's get a
I wouldn't
release
be
on that big
surprised
boy.
if he-
Let's get a release on that monster.
Just check at that. That is gigantic.
That just shows you how gigantic this thing is.
Josh,
Okay,
pronounce it as she
release it.
correctly. It's gigantic. That is like one of my biggest.
Scott, you're releasing it with the hook in it.
It's so heavy. I can't hold it.
Wait, do you want to weigh?
Yeah, I did.
Let's weigh. Let's get a weight.
Just get in the water a little bit. 6.
6 pounds. That's a beast, eh?
That's like my PB. 2.5.
Is that your PB? Hold up your PB bream and let's get a release. And I'll get a photo.
7 kgs right there.
Quickly, Scott, PB.
2.2 is what?
PB bream.
Wait.
Let's get her. Okay, let's get a release on your PB bream. It's monstrous. Okay, let him go. Fishing in the rain. That's a beast. Okay, let it go before the crocs come.
Wow! Let him go! Coolness!
Epic. Look over there. Massive, massive storm coming.
Can you just calm down? Maybe this is Think of the size that is. That's the bright. You gotta think on the bright side that has a cloud like the shape of a gigantic snake. David and I almost put up.
Did you catch your PB, Scott?
I'm not sure. I think my PB.
You may have caught your PB.
I may not.
6 pounds.
Yeah. What's this?
Scott, you're getting a bite. Fish on, big bream. Oh, it's a dink.
About this thing. Just out here in the rain.
And I catch nothing because I'm just helping.
This one can't even pull the drag. Like you're gonna snap off.
Tiny bream.
Okay, hold on. I just need to put that because I'm really scared to do that. Oh, it's so cold. Steam from that was literally gonna come up like that.
Bream is fighting hard, eh? That when that storm down there hits us, it's not going to be good.
You don't have to Scott, you were getting that bite for like 3 seconds. I know. Oh, but this is like it's not bad. I mean, it's not an ugly fish. It's not undesirable. It's not. I mean, I'll take you.
Scott with another small bream. Let's get a release on that hook. It's very small.
The other, why did you say another small bream.
Oh, okay. Not another small bream, a small bream. It's another bream, but it's not small.
It was an okay GT at least, other than when I went into
Bad storm coming down there.
the wind is changed direction.
I'm so cold.
Right now.
Scott, your rod over there is gonna get struck. You should reel it in quickly. Run quickly. Scott, this tiger rod is getting a bunch. It's tangled! Oh no, open the pail! Strike on him! Reel up to it. It's,
oh, he's on!
it's a rumba. I hope my phone has enough battery.
Hey, write it down, dude.
Small.
I think it's a small tiger.
Is it? Was it like a really big tiger? Is it a tiger? David, come help with the landing.
Oh, decent. Oh, it's very decent.
Oh, David.
My tiger started doing.
David, you better come help. Scott, you better hope you don't get struck by lightning, dude.
Hey, I'm ready.
Is it a rumba?
Come over here.
It must be a rumba.
I just want to get his head out. My drag's really tight. I think it's a rumba though.
It's a rumba, I'm telling you.
Looks like we got the grand slam.
Come quickly before you get struck, dude. Come under the tree.
Hold on, this might not be a rumba. I think it's a rumba. I just saw like really light color.
Yeah, it's probably the belly.
Yeah. Come down here.
Come down there quickly, out of the way. You wanna? Oh, it's a
Really
rumba.
good rumba.
No, but it's a rumba. No one
Oh,
cares.
look at that.
No one cares about rumba, but that is a proper storm down there. Let's go quickly.
I'm literally. Scott, come on over here, dude. As hard as I can. Just gotta keep his head up. Shine. Oh, it's in a corner. Did it come home?
It's not. We have to get out of here.
So I can land.
That storm is coming fast.
Let me land this out here, boy. Oh, it's really up. Oh, it's good.
You're gonna have to take it back. Get it out quick.
I'm shocked.
The storm is coming.
I'm not doing great.
Let's get out of here. Thank you all for watching this episode of This is Africa Outdoors. We will release the fish. We're gonna get out of here before that storm comes. If you enjoy this video, remember to subscribe and give it a like, and we'll see you in the next one. Over and out. Let's get out of here before another lightning like that last one strikes.